Yesterday night, the guys that changed the pump that started. I would like to have the diagnostic with me, but they closed it inside of the C2 and I don't have the key for the C2. How lovely. And it has a check engine and I cannot read the check engine, and the steering wheel, it doesn't go up and down, it goes in and out only. Don't ask me why. I don't have the diagnostic with me to see what's going on. Alright, let's start the condition. If you don't want to go away the plastic that has here, do not touch it with a perfume, because if you have a perfume on your fingers, this goes away. Like it goes away also this one and this one. This is the buttons that you're using more than the other. Okay, let's have a test drive. It's magnet this one? Oh, it's magnet this one. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all. That's nice. I can leave it there. It's gonna overheat because of the sun, but it's okay. I don't have to hold it on my hands. And it might fall down also the phone, but no worries. Okay. Okay. Nah, it's not clever to pointing other cars and the number plates, right? Yeah, it's not clever to. I think it's not allowed to record the street here in this country or anybody without his wheel. Yeah, okay. I'll gonna tell you at the end. Here you go. See my face. I have a protection cover on the screen, so that's why it looks like that. I don't know if you're interested to see my face. Doesn't make any sense. Not bad. I cannot push the car, and I'm not willing to push the car actually, because this car, I didn't check it. I just checked fixing the transmission, and I checked the suspension and the brakes to see that it has the brakes and the suspension is okay. So I don't know the condition of the engine. I don't know if it's tuned or not. Thing is, now I want to cruise a little bit to see if there is any sound, to see how it's shifting the transmission. I don't have the diagnostic again. Unfortunately, I don't have the diagnostic to see at least why it has a check engine. And I didn't clear the adaptations as far as I know. But shifting beautiful. It's supposed to shift beautiful because I didn't change the clearance on the clutches, on the drums. I didn't change the clutches. I make one refresh only. I change the seals. I need to cruise at 80 kilometers. This is how much the speed limit on this street where I'm going. Trying to understand if there is any sound. Up to now everything's normal. When I go back at the garage, I have to get the Daza engine, degrease it, remove the oil, bring it inside the engine room, make sure that it has 25 degrees and not 50. get some measurements to see if there is any run out on the cylinders. First I need to torque down the crankshaft bearing caps down to be nice and tight. I don't have a torque plate, but this is different, this is for Daza. Just saying. What is burning that guy? Newspapers or what? Kilometers. Looking good. No vibrations, no any weird sound. Not bad, not bad. Let's make a U-turn now. Nice. Just need to see what kind of fault has stored inside, or if it's current. We're gonna see about that. Why has it check engine? Back at the garage. That's it actually. Why to waste your time? You don't see nothing from there. I cannot hold the mobile. I need to use both hands. Right? I need to have a saving. It has a shift, has a smooth downshift and upshift. It's supposed to be a little bit more hard, but it's not. This has to do that I didn't clear the adaptations, shifting adaptations. So one of the reasons why it's still shifting smooth has to do also didn't clear the adaptations. Now when I'm turning, I hear some sound from the front suspension. It might be the top mount. Alright. That's it. Let's continue. If it's not something important on the check engine, I'm not gonna make another video. If it's something important, I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna show you. an update video. Turn it off. Parking brake on. Okay, 7 to 93. And like I said, I didn't push the car, I didn't want more than 2000 RPMs. A little bit easy at the beginning, 400 kilometers only. And obviously you need to have the oil at operation temperature. So my priority was to hear the transfer case, or to try to understand if there is any weird sound or something. I didn't feel something weird. It's shifting excellent. I'm happy. Check engine, and that's it. And then we can release the car. The key, let me get the key on my hand. Off. That's it. Thank you very much.